The question says draw the dot and cross diagram for phosphorus trichloride. Dot and cross diagram is a diagram of a compound where electrons are shown as dots and dot from one atom and cross from another atom. So to begin, we write the formula. The formula of phosphorus trichloride is PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. Now, the elements involved are phosphorus, which is atomic number 15, and chlorine, which is atomic number 17. So, we now write the electronic configuration to know how many electrons at the outermost shell. The electronic configuration for phosphorus, atomic number 15, is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p. Is it 3? Yeah, 15. Now, you discover that the last shell contains 5 electrons. So, the symbol is P, the orbital diagram. Orbital diagram for this last shell is where S is represented with a square and the 2 electrons in pairs. And P orbital is represented with 3 squares and the 3 electrons arranged singly. Now, from here, we can now review the nature of the atom, where 2 electrons are paired and 3 electrons are not paired. That is for phosphorus. Now, electronic configuration for chlorine, number 17, is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p what? We have represented 12 now. 3p6 or 5, yeah, 5 is now 17. You see that the last shell contains S and P also. So the orbital diagram is where S is shown as a square and the electrons paired, and P shown as 3 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 electrons are paired. So it reveals that chlorine looks like this. 1, we use cross now. A pair, another pair, then 1 is single. Now, looking at these 2 atoms, you will see that 3 atoms of chlorine are involved. So, to form the dot and cross diagram, we now represent the 4 atoms involved. Phosphorus, like this, plus 3 chlorine atoms, like this. So that you will now locate the pattern of pairing. Electrons tend to pair up. The electrons at the outermost shell tend to pair up, but we have one single pair here. Times 3, we fit in here. So one pair from one chlorine, one single electron that is not paired from one chlorine, we pair up with that of phosphorus that is not paired, up to 3 places. So let's go. Phosphorus will now be at the middle. It will be at the middle. Then one chlorine we pair up here. Another chlorine we pair up here. Another chlorine we pair up here. So this is the dot and cross diagram for phosphorus trichloride.